Sunshine, sea breeze, and a whole lot of sparkle. This is Benidorm, like you've never seen it before. I'm hitting the streets in style, pink hair and all, because mobility can be bold, bright, and totally fabulous. Welcome to my world. Let's ride.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Scooter Sue here. It's another hot scorcheroo day, but the beach is empty. There's a few down on the edge, down by the water's edge. Is it just simply that it's just too hot for people to lie on the beach, do you think?
Yeah.
Possibly. Boat trips are out as well today. As you can see, everybody's right down by the water's edge. There's quite a few in the sea, mind. Green flags flying means it's safe to swim. So it's pretty quiet along here as well. Though saying that, seems to be a few in the restaurants and bars. Maybe it's lunchtime, I don't know. Just siesta time maybe. It's still lovely. There you go, there's queues in there for tables. Really busy.
Straight gym laps.
Got a dancing lucky man. Got some street acrobats here. Woo! What do you reckon?
I can do better after a couple of cocktails.
Go on then.
I've only had one cocktail.
Oh, quick, let's get Marcus another cocktail. Let's see him. Oh, crazy hot. Do you reckon the temperature is, Marcus?
Oh,
What are them
About
stumps on the beach
39.
now?
I actually don't know. I think they're just, I don't know, decorations.
Oh. Salute. So there's the accessibility platform for disabled people so they can go down on the beach. That's quite quiet as well today. So I got my amigo with me.
Hola.
I hope I've got his head. How are you today?
Hot. I'm alright, thanks, Mum. How are you?
Having a fight with the gimbal, as you can see. And that speeding up there is why they want to ban the scooters. Got a library, and you can sit and you can have a game of chess and relax there in the shade.
Chess or checkers?
Drafts.
Red, that's what I meant.
Just relax in the shade. On the beach. Got a lot of these new signs going up. Wish I could see how many minutes I've done.
Stop.
I think we're just over 7.
7:25.
So we've got the Simbel there with its splash pools on the balconies. Well, I should imagine though that the water gets quite warm in them.
Probably.
And whether the rumour's true that they're all linked to one another, which means if somebody pees in one,
I'm sure they'd all have that dying and that turns up. Really, if someone does, that in it.
maybe. Isla to Benidorm over there. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Please make sure that you hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe as well, and of course don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you'll always get notified of when I upload more great videos.